Hey there, music lovers. Today, we've got an exciting update from Spotify that will take you on a nostalgic journey. You remember the classic Snake game we used to play on our old mobile phones, right? Well, Spotify has given it a musical twist with their latest feature called Eat This Playlist. Let's dive right in and find out how you can play this addictive game. To play this game, open Spotify, and then go to your library and then choose any playlist you have. Once you've selected a playlist, tap on the three dots to expand the playlist information. Now, scroll down to the bottom, and there it is, the magic option that reads Eat This Playlist. Just tap on it, and voila, the game begins. The playlists become your snake's food source, and your goal is to eat as many of them as you can to grow in size. But remember, just like the original Snake game, there are rules to follow. Be careful not to touch the borders, or it's game over, and each time your snake touches its own body, it shrinks in size. So, strategize and navigate wisely. Now, if you can't find the game on your app, make sure you've updated it to the latest version. Once you're in, get ready to have a blast and challenge yourself to beat your high score. This Spotify Snake game is already creating a buzz among users. Many have confessed to being addicted to playing it, and I can see why. It's a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern technology. So, if you're a Spotify user looking for a fun and musical gaming experience, give Eat This Playlist a try. It's a refreshing break from the usual music streaming routine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.